Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be installing the PPF on this Tesla Model Y fender. It should be the same for all the Teslas, the Model 3 or the Model S. Again, continuing with our series, we're going to go from top to bottom. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, and once you have it peeled off, just go ahead and peel it just a little bit and add some slip solution. Okay, and once you have it placed, you put all your slip solution underneath. We're gonna go ahead and move on to this portion. And like always, we're just gonna go ahead and just align it to the actual corner of the bend that's right there. We don't wanna go over it, just right to it. Once you have it aligned, just add some slip solution on top and squeegee the water out. You want to get a good sized portion of the water out. That way, when you go ahead and stretch, it won't slip off. So you're gonna peel it and add some Tacky Solution. And you're gonna do it to remove the water again. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and move on towards the top side of the tail light. Again, you're gonna align it to the actual body line. You don't wanna go over it or anything. It's okay if when you're moving it, pushing it back, you get some wrinkles like this. We're just gonna go ahead and worry about those in a bit. All right, once you have it aligned, add your slip solution and just remove the water. All right, and right here, as you can see, we have a whole bunch of water left. We're just gonna spray it on top, and we're gonna squeegee them out this way. Okay, and once you got the top side of the tail light aligned, you're gonna go ahead and move towards the bottom side, and again, you're just gonna give it a small stretch, align it to the body line. And then just squeegee out the water. Right here, you're gonna require some stretching. Same thing for the bottom. If you have a small portion that doesn't want to stay down, just add some Tacky Solution underneath it and then just squeegee out. Okay, so moving on to this side, we're gonna go ahead and lift it again, add some more slip solution. Okay, now this time we're gonna stretch going this way. You're gonna use this body line as a guide and then just stretch. And now it's split into two. You got the top portion and the bottom portion. We're gonna work on the top portion. And again, we're gonna stretch out. So we go to the corner and again, squeegee out. So we're gonna go ahead and switch out to our smaller squeegee. Add some slip solution. Right, the bottom side, same thing. We're gonna go ahead and stretch to the corner. Okay, and if there's any other parts that need to be squeegeed out, just make sure to add Tacky Solution. And just squeegee out the water. All right, and once you align this part of the fender, that'll conclude the installation process for the PPF on the fender. Just remember, if you overstretch just a little bit, that's okay. We provided a blade for you to trim just to have a cleaner look. And just to recap, if you follow along, it should be pretty simple. It would be starting from the top, moving on to the tail light, moving on to the bottom, and then moving across to the other side, and then just aligning it to the line. And with that being said, thank you for watching.